how to reset the lock screen and home screen wallpaper back to default on the iPhone iOS 26. First, let's go back to your home screen and then press on the side button to go to your lock screen. Now tap on the screen to activate the lock screen. In here, touch and hold and then verify with Face ID. Now in here, you can swipe across and find the default lock screen. Now this is the default lock screen, but if you do not have one, you can tap on the add button here. And then we scroll down and make sure you are in iOS 26. From here, there are a different set of default lock screen and home screen wallpaper. So select this one right here. These are the default one. You can swipe across to change the colors. Okay, so change the color style. And then from here, you can also make changes to your clock, such as font and color and style. You can make it thinner or thicker. You can change the color of the clock. And you can choose glass or solid. And so you can change the clock size, you can add in widgets, and then tap on add. And you can choose set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. I will select set as wallpaper pair. And then tap on that to save the changes. Now if you swipe up, you can see this the default home screen wallpaper as well as the lock screen wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.